If you're using an Android phone, you get so many notifications, and when you lock your phone, sometimes you can see them there. And if you want to customize this lock screen notification, you can do that. You can set it according to your needs. In this video, we'll be telling you how to customize this. For this, open Settings. And when you open Settings, you can see one option, Notifications. According to brands, there will be some changes. I'm using a POCO branded phone. In POCO and Redmi branded phones, settings are like this. And if you're using other branded phones, what you can do is, if you can't see this option, here you can see the search settings option. There, search for notification or notifications. When you search for that, you can see this option. Click on that. And when you click on that, anywhere you can see the lock screen option. Click on lock screen. When you click on that, here you can see the format option. Click on format. And here you can see some options. On the lock screen, if you want to show notifications and content also, you can select this. That means, for example, if any notification comes in WhatsApp, you can see that a notification has come and that message also you can see. But if you don't want to see the message, what you can do is, you can select show notification but hide content. If you select that, you can see one message has been received in WhatsApp, but that message won't be shown. And if you don't want any notification on the lock screen, you can turn off this. After that, no notification will be there on the lock screen. And here you can see so many applications. And if you want any specific application's notification not to appear on the lock screen, you can turn off that. For example, I'm turning off this. After that, that application's notifications will not be shown on your lock screen. Anyways, this way you can easily customize lock screen notifications on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.